Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get only text capturing screenshot tool for Windows, Mac and Linux computers. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, what you need to do is just open any web browser and in the Google search, just search for one application name as NormCap, and on the first list you will see its developer website, and at the bottom you will see its official website. You can go either to the developer website or you can go to the official website, whichever you like. So here I'm gonna choose the second option, which is the official website. So now you can see here download for Windows, download for Linux and download for Mac OS. So depending upon which operating system you're using on your Raspberry computer, download that portion. So right now I'm using a Windows operating system on my Raspberry computer, so I'm gonna download the Windows portion. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So just double click it to run the software installer. Now click on next, click on next. So finally the installation has been completed. Now just click on finish. Now just click on the Windows start menu icon and click on this all apps. Just scroll down below and now you can see the application NormCap. Just click on it. So now you can see some instructions here. So you can see the uses, how it works, how it performs. You can read it if you want to read it, and you can just make it show on startup all the time if you want to see it again, or you can just disable it and click on OK. Now you can see here a pink color indication is appearing on your desktop screen. So now let me show you how it really works. So let me open just one program. You can open anything, whatever you like. So here say I want to copy some text from this program, right? So after opening the Raspberry program or file or any text or images, whatever you want to capture. So now just relaunch this application. And once you see the pink color indication on your desktop screen, that means it has started. Now just select the area, just tap and hold the left mouse button. So this, I want to select this area, just drag it. So once your selection is done, just release your left mouse button. You can see one notification appearing at the bottom. Just click on it and now it will automatically get copied to the Notepad application. So you can see here whichever text I have copied, it's just taking a screenshot of those respective text files only. So it's very handy if you just want to capture only the text rather than capturing the whole images, then you can definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.